Okay, hey guys, so I am losing light super fast. I am gonna try to do this quickly. Sorry, there's tissue paper over here. I should have just took everything out of the tissue paper and I did not. This is the Smell Good shop. I always get confused. Is it still Wilma's or is it that Smell Good shop? I still can't get over that it's not Wilma's. Okay, so somehow I saw that there was a restock and I had missed it, and I was like, oh, I haven't checked out that Smell Good shop in a long time. I warmed some of her stuff from my last order, which was almost a year ago, and that stuff is no joke. Like seriously, like one of these wax cubes in here, you could probably use just one and it might like blow you out of the entire room. So yeah, this stuff is crazy. So I decided to go ahead and place a semi-big order, not huge, but let's go ahead and get into it. I don't want to waste too much time. This is Victorian Cleaning. This is cotton linens, lemongrass, and herbal notes. So this one is kind of weird. I was thinking this was going to be like a more, like cotton linens was really going to come out on this one, but this one smells like straight up lemon heads. I'm just going to be honest, like lemon heads, 100%. I don't know where they got that name, Victorian Cleaning, but maybe on Warm, something different will come out. I should have really moved this paper. I am so sorry. Okay, next one is Chasing Waterfalls. This is creamy coconut and zesty limes. This is, whoa, this one is, woo. This one is definitely more coconut heavy. I don't know how much lime I'm getting, but that's okay. This one might be all right. So the next one I grabbed is Lavender Silk. I've been loving lavender recently, so I got lavender and fresh linens. This one is pretty good. This one is heavy. I've smelled that fresh linen several times today, and that fresh linen is really a sharp laundry scent to my nose. Like it is like clean, like clean. Just really smooth, kind of sharp. I don't know how much lavender I get in there. I always get, like when I smell lavender, I always think herbal lavender, So for me, it's hard to smell lavender when it's not herbal or like a sweet lavender. You know what I mean? Does everyone know what I'm talking about? All right, clothespins, Chubba Dubba, and white tea. This is a customer blend. I haven't been reading to see if these are customer blends or not. But anyways, I saw, oh gosh, who was it? Someone had posted something similar to this, clothespins, white tea, and something else. And I thought, ooh, that sounded really good. But this one was Chubba Dubba. So I think Chubba Dubba is like a fruity. Is it? Help me out, guys. I don't know what Chubba Dubba is, but I do smell the clothespins and the white tea. This is really pretty, actually. Whatever Chubba Dubba is, it works in here. Really good. Reminds me of a nice clean scent. That white tea always, I've had white tea in blends before with different mixes, and it always like adds something special. A lot of people don't use white tea, so that's nice to see. Cactus and sea salt, which is vibrant green notes and fresh sea spray. I haven't had cactus and sea salt in forever. Oh yeah, I forgot how this smelled, actually. It's been a long time. I'm gonna have to re-familiarize myself with this one, but this one is really nice. I feel like clean scents, good for mixing as well, if you wanna mix. The next one I grabbed is sugared lavender. This is a sweeter version of our herbal lavender, so. Oh, okay, this one's good. You know what? This is so different than any other lavender I've had. Wow, this is really good. I actually really like this one. I don't know how I don't know that I've ever smelled this from anyone. I don't know what she adds to this or how, if it's a single oil. Really nice though. Like sometimes when you get sweet lavenders, I do not like. Especially if they're like a lavender cream. But that one is really pretty. I like that one. I grabbed some clothespins because I love clothespins on its own. It's great for mixing. Look at those colors too. How fun is that? So this is fresh and clean laundry drying on the line. I love just the plain clothespins. Yeah, and this just smell like if you've smelled clothespins, you know what this is. This is so good. I don't even know how to quite describe it, but if you've smelled it, you know. So I have not had, the last time I had blue ribbon cookies I had it from Kay's Creations. Do you guys remember Kay's Creations? I don't know if she's still in business or not, but she had the first blue ribbon cookies, and then I was obsessed. I got blue ribbon cookies, everything. Like, check out Kay's Creations on my channel from like probably 2015, 2014 maybe-ish, and that's probably gonna be hilarious. Okay, blue ribbon cookies, sugar cookie, and buttercream ice cream. Blue ribbon cookies, I don't know what happened to blue ribbon cookies. Like, I know people were using it, and now like I wonder where it went. It is such a good cookie scent. If you've never tried blue ribbon cookies before, you have to try it. It is just such a nice cookie blend, and yeah, I love blue ribbon cookies. This reminded me why I got this, because I remembered that I liked blue ribbon cookies. So, okay, let's remove some of this paper. So sorry. Okay, so the next one I grabbed is Tommyknockers. Now, I love grapefruit scents. I haven't had any grapefruit in a while, so I went ahead and grabbed Tommyknockers. Tangy grapefruit, sweet mango sorbet. Yeah, you definitely have to like grapefruit to like this one. The mango sorbet comes in and just tones down that tangy grapefruit a little bit, which is nice. But I love grapefruit with laundry is so good. So I might be blending this with a laundry note here. I grabbed just a lavender vanilla. This is herbal lavender and vanilla. I think this is a pretty standard scent. Yeah, this one's pretty. The vanilla with the herbal lavender is really nice. This is definitely herbal. Really good. That vanilla comes through really nice and strong. I like this one quite a bit. So that's lavender vanilla. The next one I grabbed is Violet Crush. If you know me, you know I love violet scent. So this is light fruits, violet flowers, and sandalwood. So this one is quite different. So I like violet scents. This smells so unique. The sandalwood really comes through. This one's one that I'm gonna have to get on a warmer before I give like a full, like if I like it or don't like it. It's not too floral, but I definitely smell something popping through there that I've never smelled before. I don't know if it's that light fruits or what, but that one is good. Okay. So this next one I grabbed was Pink Lavender Mallow Peppermint. This is a customer blend, it says. Oh, some of these, oh dang, I've missed some of these. Like the blue ribbon cookies was a customer blend. So sorry. Oh, this one smells good. This reminds me of, what does it remind me of? Oh, I can't think right now. There's a blend out there that's very similar to this. Oh, this is so good. Her peppermint is nice. Nose clearing for sure, but so pretty. Nice and creamy. The next one I grabbed is just Charmed Life. This is watermelon lemonade. I figured, I've actually, so if you know me, you know I don't like watermelon, but I've come to love watermelon lemonade. I don't know why, but I can hang with it in lemonade. Oh, it just smells so good. Lemonade is so crisp. Okay, and then oh no, wait a second. I did order this. I ordered wood sage and sea salt. I don't think I've ever had this as like a single blend before, so I decided to just grab it. This is nice. This is warm and comforting. So good. Love that. Okay, and then this, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. I ordered this Scoopable Wax. I've never ordered that from that Smell Good shop before, so I had no idea. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but it's pink cotton, fresh cotton, and pink sugar. The thing is, and maybe it's just because it's a scoop, I can't smell anything. Like I can kind of smell a little bit. Now, just FYI, when I would order Scoopable Tart Wax from Rose Girls, when it was, what the hell was it called? Oh gosh, what was the name of her company? I don't know, but it was part of Rose Girls, but it wasn't, it was the mother of Rose Girls had gone off and done scoops. When you would smell her Scoopable Wax, it was hard to smell sometimes on cold, but on warm, it came through just fine. Maybe this is one of those instances, what I can smell does smell good. So I will give it that. Okay, and then the last thing I have is Pinhead. And this is lavender, mint, and mallow. I almost ordered this, but I couldn't find it on the site. So it was funny that it's a sample because I was actually wanting this. Oh, that smells good. It reminds me a lot of that other one, the pink lavender, mallow, peppermint, whatever in the hell that was. Pink lavender, mallow, peppermint. There it is. Oh, that smells good. You can smell just a hint of lavender on top of that mint and marshmallow. Yeah, that was one that I would definitely get and try for sure. So that is my Smell Good shop order. Like I said, I haven't ordered from her in a while. I don't order from her very often, but honestly, some of her stuff is really strong. If you've never tried her before, give her a shot and just try, like, I'm not kidding. Some of her scents, like, seriously will blow you out of the freaking water. It's insane. So yeah, I feel like she's one of those vendors I feel like gets overlooked because I feel like a lot of people get hung up on some of the more, what would you say, like popular vendors. If that's even a thing, but like, you know, people that you always see ordering from and whatnot. I get it. We forget about some of these other companies, but honestly, that Smell Good shop is one of those that has some really good stuff. So yeah, check her out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a favorite blend from that Smell Good shop, definitely let me know what it is. I've only placed about 3 or 4 orders with her, so I don't know what all, you know, she has in her regular like restock. So let me know what you like, and I will keep my eye out. Okay, thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.